Hey guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive supporters and subscribers, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. I want to welcome you to the next installment of ADAD. And this month is going to be coffee and tea theme. And this is going to be the first die for the month. It says paper hugs. This is the words, and this is the shadow. I'm going to do the shadow in brown, and I'm going to do the words in this cream colored speckle paper. So let's go ahead on and get this started. Let me get the plates. That's the dog out here. Scrappy. He waits right until I get over here to get started and wants to come over here. Okay, let's see. Which is better? I guess it really doesn't matter. I'm going to do the shadow first. Okay. And it cut out perfectly the first time. I'm going to turn that over there. And next we are going to do hugs. Same on the other side? Yeah. Okay. Okay, and it cut wonderfully, no problems at all. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually put this together, because this is another one of the dies that I purchased that I've never cut with, and I want to put it together. So let me get this down here, out the way. Let me move this out of the way. Where are these things? Right here. And I'll be using this adhesive. What's this? Nouveau Deluxe adhesive. Okay. I'm gonna put it this way. Hopefully I can get it and it'll look okay. Let me make sure first. Look at him trying to get his nose over. Do y'all see his nose? I think this is the H for the hugs. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, let me find paper. Get that out. Okay, P. A. P. E. R. H. U. G. Get out the way. And S. So let's get this started. That's a lot. I don't want to put a whole lot on here. P. Okay. Check. Move. Move. Get out of the camera, dog. Boy, move. Scrappy, move. Scrappy, move. You all in the camera. Move, booby. He just refuses to stay back. Okay, just making sure I had some adhesive on there. Okay, we got paper. Let's get hugs in here. Okay. Yeah, if y'all hear that talking in the background, that's something with Harry Potter. I think it's talking about the ghosts that live in the castle. And yes, I'm a Harry Potter fan. I should have got some paper and got that off, but it's okay, I guess. Will you move, booby? Okay, last letter. Let's get this on here. Okay. And the S. Let me put the top on this. Let's set this over here, over there. And here you got it, guys. See if I can bring it up. Is it gonna focus in okay? Can you move, sir? No, I'm sorry, y'all. Dog move. Okay, paper hugs. That's the first one. This is the first one right now. I can't find the October and the two zodiac symbols that go with the month. I know they're together because that's what's missing. They're together, and knowing me, I probably tried to get them together so I wouldn't lose anything. And of course, I've lost them. But if I find them, I will put them in for this month, okay? Alright guys, that's it. I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And please forget a dog. All your comments are truly appreciated. Come back anytime and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye, little bugs.